watch her to be man. You see any girl there in her front seat, what she have to do? So, yeah, don't stop, chew it, back. Hold on. Andrew, make sure listen.
Hey, man, SR Boss, I represent for Jamaican Baddest Channel. I mean, alone in all the dog.
Look how long we a fight, dog. Call me a fight.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know what day, my people, with a hot one. Bless up on the Monday morning to everybody. And you don't know if I give Father God thanks for life, so we can drop that video, my people. When you don't see what go on the screen, Valiant, Mohammed, Fighter, and people, when you get the chance, when you check out him new album, 414. It's not even an album, it's a mixtape, my people. And he had a launch party the other night for it, and people, the party shot. You must see what go on, the thing shell down. Craft come through, Stark Ashley, Cranium. Enough artists come through, come show them support. And big up everybody for that. You understand? Alright, my people. And as well as before we jump on more, I'm gonna know, say, Wray and Nephew Contenders is back. Alright? Although the people them change it from Contenders, my people, it's now called Fight Night. I'm gonna see a lot of people kind of bash and I say, yo, why them change it? Everything they good with it and whatever. When you make me know what you think about that, you understand? But one night we did over there, and the first hearing was at Cling Oval. Cling Oval, that's in Waterhouse, my people. And Sizzla Kalonji was there. He graced the stage. Sizzla actually come in at the ring, pack up the box them, and left with it, my people. No, I've never left with it, but don't check out what going on, my people.
You still not come, can't perform without a boxer for make noise. But you can't perform without the Almighty. I've been doing a song a long time, and I song the best now. Which song best is that? I have no right, God. Don't tell me it. Right.
Yeah, my people, epic performance. Epic, yo, this is not the easy to tell you. But yo, epic performance, my people. And the full performance is actually, we did cover it. So when you get the chance, please go check on that video there. Watch it, my people. Like it, share it, so it can get for reach all over the world. You understand? Alright, take me over to the next time, my people. And please stay on, my people, because I don't know of the big bad update with Shukkle boss. You understand? Get catching a one scheme over one part over Kingston 20. But anyway, my people, me could move over to the information. Teejay, they in New York, my people, and I don't know how I go and come. I see them size up the boss, put him on a Masonic. The venue is Masonic Temple, my people. You understand? You check it out. Let me know what you think about it.
We are talking about who walk out the door. You walk out the door a while ago?
The gap between
there's
the plane and
gap. You walk out the door, Dad?
One gap, there.
Look. Catch the date. Catch the location. It's a day party. And then you have reggae to the east in Canada.
Yeah, my people. Yo, I must say anybody where they are foreign, they in America, in New York, Jersey. You know, one of them here, they don't know the place though. And I make you know go on and put some comments in the section. Is it what I'm really thinking? You understand? We don't know, you know, Teejay get a big deal over there from them boy they over so. Anything possible. And you see him and Sharon Burke's son a roll and everything. They might have a blast, my people. You understand? Before you don't know, so the big bad show line up back in a Jamaica the 21st of the month here, which is some fest, my people. You understand? Alright, and now drums on my people, because that I gotta take me over to the next update, the major update on my app. You see me? Somebody send me a video, my people, and I say, yo, them a try sleep and a BNI's outside in a them scheme. BNI's, and I must say them never understand why Shukkle bus come in at them place come load up them scheme like this, because apparently Taurus Riley always there in the scheme too. Taurus Riley have a tickers on the building, but theme presence, you know, Rasta them kinda, you see me? Humble with them thing, but Shukkle bus come load of the people them scheme, and we just have to drop the video, my people. So on the stay tuned, you don't know a Jamaican chat, me I beg you to like, share, subscribe on the channel, my people. Go and check out the rest of our videos. We do cover live performances as well as them type of blog here as well, my people. So big up on yourself, Jamaican chat. I am out, my people.
Ladies, the relationship that with too much love in I think not good. We love the toxic one there. Let me hear you fight every day. After that. I'm here to try to be man. It's any girl in her front seat, what she have to do? Stop, yeah, go, stop, chua, rock. Hola, hola. Anjo, make sure listen.